going to introduce David to you. He's 44 years old and he had a hair transplant in February of 2015. It was a strip transplant and we got 3,500 grafts. I will show you the pre-op photographs. As you can see, he has extensive thinning of the hair in the interior one half of the scalp, which is a Norwood 4 pattern. He's got bitemporal recession, as well as thinning in the central part of the scalp to about mid-scalp. This is what David looked like immediately post-op. And you can see that with the 3,500 grafts, we were able to transplant the interior one half of the scalp. I'd like to point out the results to date, and you can see here that this is a very natural hairline. And you can see very nice coverage. You cannot see the underlying skin through the hair. So what do you think of the results?
So I was a little bit skeptical coming in. You know, it's not a cheap procedure, and I was a little apprehensive, but I can tell you that at post-procedure, there's some pain and there's redness, so on and so forth. But literally, I think 3 to 4 months after the procedure, I already noticed huge changes in my appearance. Like the hair started coming in, and I think the procedure was done in February of that year, and by June or July, like it was, I had a hair.